Hello guys, I'm Sasha and you're watching Hot Year. Today at Blenders Pride Fashion Tour 2013, at the preview, the House of Style, I have actress Deepanita Sharma and of course our very own designer Gavin Miguel. How are you guys doing today?
Very good.
Deepanita?
Yeah, it's been very hectic and a lot of activities, right? We've been running from one corner to the other, but yeah, it's been fun. I feel great in this beautiful gown that he has created. So yeah, I'm feeling good.
Gavin, could you tell me a little about this gown? It looks really nice, very classy, a lot of sequins and a lot of other works there. Could you explain a little about it?
Basically, this collection is called Warriors of Heaven on Earth. So it's actually angels on earth. And for me, women is power, and I just think that women are very strong. Most of my collections are very fluid and soft. I use a lot of chiffons and everything, but then there's also an element of strength in it. You can see it as it goes. And when I was signed up for Blenders again, I had this in my mind because it's actually a continuation of my last year's collection, which was Stairways to Heaven. I'm very well connected with the upper man. Yeah. so I just thought that I needed the right person who could fit into the collection, and Deepanita is the only name that comes to mind because she's very angelic, very beautiful. Yes, we are friends, so this is not something to spruce her up, but it's true. And she's someone who can carry off something like this in spite of having a very soft, very subdued look. And she's just wowed this outfit by more than 100% now. So I'm very happy. And yeah, so it is basically all metal work. There's muted golds, muted silvers, so it's a mix. So it just looks very warrior looking, but at the same time sexy and fluid.
Totally. And Deepanita, what do you have to say? You guys are friends, like he said. So you're working for
so many nice things to me otherwise, yeah. Only when I'm wearing his outfit. You have to see his face if I wear someone else's, so.
I would definitely want to see that. Well, last season you had Kangana Ranaut working for you, and this time you have Deepanita. What do you have to share? Something in common you have probably in the Bollywood industry.
To begin with, I used Kangana last year because she's fashionable. Deepanita is fashionable, so the women that I would choose would always be fashionable. It would essentially be a Gavin Miguel.
Of course. And Deepanita, before I let you go, in terms of fashion, I have always seen you dressed well, and you are up there in fashion. Could you explain a little, to our viewers in terms of style this season, what is in trend? We want to hear from Deepanita.
Okay, in trend, in terms of style, I think there's a lot of mixing matching happening, which I can see. In terms of fashion, there are a lot of strong stuff coming in. There's structured things happening. But I always feel that style and fashion are, although they're different, they're also connected. And it's very important to make it your own, not to follow anything blindly. And that's very, very important. That's what I've always done. Even if you're wearing something probably from a previous season, and if you're sort of combining it with something that is in vogue right now, it's fine, but do it in the right manner. It's not always important to get everything which is in vogue right now and look like not right at all. Then mixing matching things, which is going to turn out really stylish and look good on you. And I think makeup and hair go a long way. Don't overdo makeup. Hair should be conducive to the outfit that you're wearing, not that you end up doing something really elaborate with casuals, and not that you be very casual with your hair when you're wearing something elaborate. Like today, I think if I had left my hair down, I don't think it would have looked really nice, because this gown has a lovely back, and I would have just covered it. Of course. Before we go off being nice to each other, he is one of my favorite designers in the world, and that is the truth.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What do you have to say, Gavin? See, she's praising you so much.
Now I'm going to get the wings and fly.
Definitely, again the heaven. Yeah. You get the heaven every time.
And I have to get the heaven back again. And a small mention, the hair was done by my wife.
Yes.
Could you tell me, is she into styling? What is it?
She's with L'Oreal actually, and she's a specialist in hair. She's with hair, so I asked her to get it done.
Right, and this is in trend because I went for one of the brands even just a couple of months back, and the hair updo, this one is right on the spot.
It's really beautiful, and she's taken her time. She's done a stunning look, and everyone has loved it, so she's very happy.
We love it too. I'm really looking forward for your show, and I'll definitely be there. Stay tuned.